woke up this morning thinking about love again. So odd thought to share. So we partner off in life, and a lot of times our partner has the exact opposite need that we have. And usually that means that we don't have the same emotional needs. But God gave us the directive. He said the man and his wife are naked and unashamed. That means that inside this partnership, I don't judge my partner and their needs, and I don't make them feel ashamed. So I'm going to talk about a dynamic that is not as traditional. And that is that if I am a dismissive, avoidant woman, so I am a woman that does not have a lot of capacity for intimacy and love and closeness, the odds are you're going to bring in a very anxiously attached man, which means that this man is going to be read as clingy. So the rest of this really comes from a book called Attached. Now, Attached very much is in line with God's biblical standard, and that is that if I give my partner what my partner needs, then my partner will actually require less of that need from me. So basically the science is if I build emotional security within this relationship, then my partner actually won't need me to make him emotionally secure as often. So in the diagram, we have the man has a bucket. That means that is his love requirement in order to have his needs met within the relationship. And we see that the woman has a test tube, and that's her requirements to feel love and connection within the relationship. Now, what normally happens is that her test tube is always filled, but his bucket is not. Where the woman's is filled and the man's is left empty, that is actually neglect. That is unmet needs. So how can I be in a relationship for 10, 15, 20 years and I suddenly wake up and I don't feel like I love my partner? Because for the entire time, for one of the partners within the relationship, their needs are not being met. So that basically means that their love tank is not being filled. So what can we do about that? So here's the thing. God gave us opposite needs, and he gave us chemistry around that, because if I respect my partner, then I realize that my partner actually has the thing that I'm missing, but it's also the thing that I need. So in the space of where his needs are not met, we come to a compromise. Now, that compromise is not people-pleasing and to be self-abandoning. That compromise is, what can I do to fill his need and still be okay? So an example of that is, what if he likes to talk a long amount of time on the phone?